Remix the project. I've added the initialize code here. Remember, the initialize code can also be considered setup code. Try reading it, and add a comment telling what it does. Compare your comment with mine. This program is the interface for the real satellite dishes and the satellite in space. When you code this little red satellite dish to turn, it will also turn the real dish where ShadowFox is waiting. When we click on the red dish icon, we want it to turn 90 degrees toward the satellite. What's the trigger we should use? To get it to look like it's slowly turning, I'm going to need a repeat block and a turn right block. Do you know how to make it look like it's turning slowly? Well, if I put a small number like 1 in the turn right block, it will only move a little bit each time it is clicked. How many times would I have to repeat it if I want it to turn 90 degrees? If it's turning 1 degree each turn, I'll need to repeat that 90 times for it to turn 90 degrees. Let's connect that to our event, or trigger, and test it. It works. Now it is pointing to the satellite in space. I'll show you what would have happened if we didn't put in 1 degree and just put in 90 degrees. Instead of turning slowly, it just pops to 90 degrees, which would be impossible for the real satellite dish to do. So we'll change it back. To help us create a realistic display, we will add sound as the satellite rotates. Good.